we get the kitchen.
Wow.
So first of all, we get this Highland sink.
Okay.
It's a sink.
Closing a sink. Oh wow.
So
Oh bon. So if you just don't eat now, going to go look for where you want to go washing out again.
no, it's really it's some people know they use dining, just just
Yes.
for here. So and the first thing you want to do something over and
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. How the family and business?
Thank God.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So what you guys come to here?
As you know now, our regular stuff, because we showcase what's let our customers know the finishing for this work. Now we do the piping.
Okay.
And I also do the installation.
Okay.
So that's about just
which shop the electrician work?
Plumbing work.
Plumbing work.
Plumbing work. Yeah. So we do the plumbing work, the plumbing for this work. So now really under.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't go there, Mugusia.
So like here now, we did the waiting room.
Okay.
Yeah. So we get the toilet for here.
Wow. Okay.
So I say we get the toilet for here. And the toilet with this. And the hand sprayer with this. So we get wash hand basin.
Okay.
For here. So after here, we get the kitchen.
Wow.
So first of all, we get this Highland sink.
Okay.
It's a sink.
Closing a sink. Oh wow.
So
oh bon. So if you just don't eat now, going to go look for where you want to go washing out again.
no, it's really it's some people know they use dining, just just
yes.
For here. So and the first thing you want to do something over and So we get our kitchen sink here.
Okay.
So we get them. We get this one for cup to wash cup. You see, to wash glass cup here. So now, so under our own, you know, normally we know the.
Okay, all this one. So we take the functions for yes.
Okay, good. This one just in case you want to use just to fresh water normally for cup. Okay. Then this one you wash cup. If you wash a glass cup now, you just put, for instance, now you bring glass cup come.
Okay.
This one a glass cup, right?
Yes.
So you won't wash and start dirty. Instead of make just the water for here, just do it. Yes,
wow.
Sir. Go wash the cup. Instead of make just the use one. After you don't wash and finish. Then this one, if you know, give you normal to took on the one side.
Yes.
So just do it like this.
Wow.
Finish. So this one, normal, you see water now, you won't wash your stuff, just wash your meat, everything, that's it.
Okay.
So this one, that's soap dispenser.
Okay.
And they put the liquid soap inside here.
Okay.
So just put your liquid soap, then press, the liquid will come out, take wash hand.
Wow.
That's just it.
Nice one.
So inside our kitchen, we know they hang water heater for up.
Okay.
Where they put these are water heater under here. So with this one, it can still give you the same pressure, both hot and cold. Okay. And the same pressure you will still get. So for here now, we get our pot filler. This is what we call pot filler. Okay. In case they cook for here, they cook anything, you need water. No need for you to go collect water for that place. Just any pot, whether on this pot, or this side.
Wow.
You understand? Anyway, you want to put them.
You want to do a soup?
Yes, you put them there.
Wow.
So after here, we get the rooms. For here now, we get like 3 rooms. They down here.
Okay.
No big room. So here,
wow,
we get the basin. You see, this toilet very, very portable.
Yes.
Very, very portable.
Very portable.
And the setting is unique.
Yes.
So we have the basin, the hand sprayer, the toilet, and the shower. Yeah, demarcation place. So
okay.
You know, we not say because say it is small, we will not create better stuff put. So very unique design.
Okay, sir. All right, my name is Godwin Osamu. What be your name?
Michael Ogunlade, not my name.
The name of your company?
The name of my company is Michael Ade Toiletries and Plumbing Company.
Okay.
We based here for Benin, but we dey global. We go anywhere we want.
Okay, sir. So I guess plumbing work now they do?
Yes, we do into plumbing work, both the piping and the finishing concerning plumbing work.
Okay, sir. So which other there?
We still get some. This first bedroom where we enter, so we still this room and this room are just the same pattern, the same pattern. Design, everything inside.
Okay.
Look at, if you take a look of this.
Wow.
See, everything just very portable and unique. So not be better something. So everything just as supposed to be.
Okay.
So after this place, we will go the upside now duplex. We will go both the madam and the master bedroom.
Okay. So what you going to take with the patronizer this way?
Sir?
So what you going to take with the patronizer this way?
So you see, after God, not them, because if they know if they know give us, we know if chop. So we always pray for them every time. So God will continue to bless them, even though we not talk come out. The way they say they put smiles for our face every time. Now let God go feel reward them. God will continue to provide for them, secure them, and protect them from any evil. Amen. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, would they go the upside?
Okay.
So this place now the madam building, now the madam room with this.
Wow.
So we get the bathroom.
Okay.
So inside the bathroom, we get the basin, the countertop, we get the bath.
Wow.
Standing tap, we get the concealed toilet, and we get the 9 ways mat shower. Send that the rain.
Wow. I'm gonna be smart in there.
So after this, master bedroom.
Okay.
So this place is the master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
So it's gonna be regular stuff. So yeah, we still have the bath. We have the concealed toilet. We have the mat, 9 ways mat shower. Then we have the double bowl. We have the double bowl tap here. So that is for this building now. We get for the downstairs we have 4 toilets.
Okay.
Then for the up we have 2 toilets. That is the 6 toilets in the main building.
Okay.
Then we have 3 toilets in the BQ. BQ and the security 3 toilets.
Wow.
So generally we have 9 toilets in the building.
The building.
Yeah.
Both kitchen come.
We have 3 kitchen, one for the main building, then 2, one for the security and one for the BQ.
Wow. Okay. So, Oga, how much for all this was now?
If you see this work now,
Yes.
the person will get the building, they around.
Okay.
The person will get the building, and I get the materials, which I supervise to get for the quality of the materials, at least everything for this house, both the pipe, the pipe and the fittings, the sanitaries, is of roughly 5 million naira.
Wow.
Both the pipes and the fittings, roughly 5 million naira. Then the workmanship is 1.5 million.
1.5 million naira.
Yes.
Both the piping, and the
installation. The piping and the installation of this house is 1.5 million naira.
1.5 million naira.
Yes.
Wow. I'm a smart thing. Okay, I did do your job where if we contact you, if you take measurement for the site or
yes, this is how we do our thing, because you know say we get different kind of people with different behaviors. So normally if you call us to go and go check your work,
yes,
we the request for inspection fees. In a sense that because if we burn fuel or we enter public transport, go your site, at the end of the day, you get 5, 4, 6, 7 different kind of quotation. Then you give your choice. It will be of our own or the person where you know give the work, shortage.
Yes.
So your inspection fees cover up your expenses that day, that particular time. So when we collect inspection fees for inspection of your site, we give you quotation. If you don't agree on quotation, then that inspection fees will come out for the money where we agree on. So equation balance, and so we do our own thing. And normally we dey like our clients may they take to instruct, may they take to advice from us if they want to buy materials. So because no family in maintenance.
Yes.
If you don't decide to say maintenance don't occur like this, now you go to feel the pain and you go to spend the money.
Yes.
So that is why we advise our clients, may they try out. This more we lecture them or materials who they will buy, even though they won't buy them by themselves. This is what we need. We will say we'll give them rest of mind.
Okay.
We like to make you try to know that you spending now, it avoid you spending later. So that's just the fact about it.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Well, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
To bless you now.
Yes, sir.
With us, sir.
Yes, sir. So, you get any challenges you see the pass through when proceeding about?
The challenge is that the challenge now I don't talk part of them. Say, see our clients comparing quotation. If they compare quotation, but they see they compare professionalism. You understand me?
Yes.
Compare professionalism, not quotation. Because if you decided to compare quotation, professional will give you quotation higher, with higher quality, with full guarantee. Whereas the quack, all the people, not say they don't know their work, but the level of their own work. So they're not going to lose the work. They'll give you lower quotation, which you will believe say that person will give you lower quotation, now be the best. By the time you call the face that incident, you call the 5 person, the expert, we call the facer, and that time you call the spend double. So all those kind of things. When you don't start to break your house, they do patching, they break your house, they do patching. It will irritate you. So they stay there. So that is the fact about it.
Okay.
Maybe they compare quotation, maybe they compare professionalism, and maybe they open mind for defend your projects and with pictures, that kind of stuff. Not just it.
Okay, sir. So which kind of quality of pipe you use for this house now?
Normally, let me say I do advertise products.
Yes.
But me believe I do use a Sanica pipe and Ike products.
Okay.
Or that is Ike products, that's Ike product, Hakan products, that's the PPR products too. Okay. Those products they give rest of mind. So all those, if you say they will buy PPR pipe, they will say Turkey. All PPR pipe for market now Turkey, both China, both fake, inferior, everything now Turkey they call it. But the particular name, the particular products, now you go, now you be the main. Could they compare pipe of 3,500 to pipe of 6,000, pipe of 7,000? So you see the difference. So that's just the fact about it. We not say make client not buy materials, but make client settle down to get the best material for your own rest of mind, not for the consumption of the person who want to do the work.
Okay,
So
sir.
that's just it.
So they give us full assurance now, say the old people use for this house now. We not call tomorrow, say
Sir, we dey use pressure machine for this house.
wow.
Pressure machine. So there's full guarantee on the pressure machine. It's well tested. It's tested, no issue about. So we don't test everything don't be okay before they start the paint house. So now be the guarantee we'll give for this house.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
I really appreciate
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
So
very much.
give us your phone number and address now.
My phone number now is 070-3122-8078.
Okay.
070-3122-8078. That's
sir.
Michael Ogunlade. That's my WhatsApp number. That's not my call line.
All right, sir. All right, but just we'll talk about the glamours of the day. My clade, toiletry, and plumbing. I know the small thing to my people. I don't see her. I know we'll talk too much. Show. This is sin is believe me, and the trial will convince you. If you want to know more about this man, just play our video from beginning to the ending. But the one thing I will tell now be say this man is one of the most trusted and reliable plumber on get our platform here. And they do better work. And this man, if you do work, you will enjoy it and they neat well. And they use quality materials till they work. They say super sweet, na money killer moon. So in you know say in your own things they deal well. But if they use quality materials, we say tomorrow, you know, we regret to as he talk, just pay now to avoid spending tomorrow. My people, if phone number and address, if they are bottom, as I talk to you soon. But in case you can't forget, if you open the website, so you'll see on www.edotalkshow.com.ng. Any video in the time, whether it's plumber, electrician, painter, I've been where the you look for, or my glad plumbing they look for, they're there. I don't talk show, and it's the Reverend Godwin or Samoye. Now I don't know.